All the lengths in this question are measured in centimeters. The diagram shows a solid cuboid with a square base. The volume of the cuboid is given by the formula V is equal to x square into 9 minus x. The table shows some values of V for x is greater than or equal to 0 and x is less than or equal to 9. First part is to complete the table. So I can see that value of x is given as 2 and we need to find out the volume. Volume formula was given V is equals to x square into 9 minus x. So wherever we have x, we just replace it with 2. So 2 square into 9 minus 2. 2 square is 4 and 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7 into 4 will be 28. So now the value for V is 28 and we completed the table. So that was the first subdivision. It was just a 1-mark question. On the grid on the opposite page, draw the graph of V is equals to x square into 9 minus x for x greater than or equal to 0 and x less than or equal to 9. So a grid is given here. So we just have to plot these values on that particular grid. So let's just plot the values here. Okay. So the points are, the first point is 0, 0. 0, 0 will be over here. And then the next point is 1, 8. 1, 8 means 1 on the x and 8 will be somewhere over here. Now, let's just check the values here. We have 2, 28, 3, 54, 4, 80, 5, 100, 6, 108, 7, 98, 8, 64, and 9, 0. All these points we have to plot on this particular grid. So we already completed 2 points, 0, 0 and 1, 8. Next one is 2, 28. So 2 is over here, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. So this is 2, 28. 3, 54. 3, 54. 3 is over here. And 50, 52, 54. So 3, 54 will be here. And then we have 4, 80. So that's easy to plot. 4 and 80. 4 is over here. 80 is over here. So 4, 80. The next one is 5, 100. So 5, all the way up till 100. So this is 5, 100. And we have next one is 6, 108. So 6 all the way up to 200, 102, 4, 6, 8. So 6, 108. Next is 7, 98. 7, 98. So that is 7, 90. 90 is over here. So 92, 94, 96, 98. So this is 7, 98. And we have 8, 64, 8, 64, 60, 62, 64. And 9, 0. 9, 0 will be over here. We just have to join these points. You don't have to use a ruler here, just rough sketch, rough diagram is fine. So this is the graph that we have. So the second subdivision is done. Now let's see what the third one is. So for the third one, find the value of x when the volume of the cuboid is 44 centimeter cube. You can see that we will be getting two values of x. So let's see. Find the value of x when the volume of the cuboid is 44. So come back to this graph. Volume of the cuboid is 44. So that means volume is over here. So volume is 44. So 40, 42, 44. At this particular point, we just have to draw a horizontal line passing through that point. And this horizontal line We'll cut the curve at 2 points. One is over here and the other one is over here. Now we need to find out its corresponding x value. So just draw a vertical line from here. You'll be getting the answers 2.2, 2.4, 2.6. So that point will be 2.6. And then we'll be having the next one. This is the next point of intersection from here. Just have to draw a straight line. So that is somewhere over here, which is 8, 8.2, 8.4. In between 8.2 and 8.4, let's say 8.3. So the values will be, so the values here, it will be 2.6, x will be 2.6 or 8.3. 2-mark question. So the third part, find the value of x when the volume of the cuboid is 44. We will be using the graph. So we'll be using the graph to find out the answer. Now moving on to the next one here. Show that the total surface area of the cuboid is 36x minus 2x square. So B, first subdivision, show that the total surface area of the cuboid. So the total surface area of the cuboid, we can see the cuboid is over here. How do you find out the total surface area? We have 6 rectangular faces. We need to find out the area of all these 6 rectangular faces, add them up. That's how we get total surface area. So here, the base, the base is a square, so x times x is x square. Now, if the base is x square, then the top here, the top will also be x square. So x square plus x square. Now let's find out what this right-hand side rectangle is. Length is x and width is 9 minus x. So we know that the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by width. So x multiplied by 9 minus x. Now, the left-hand side is same as the right-hand side. So the left-hand side also, the area of the rectangle will be x multiplied by 9 minus x. X multiplied by 9 minus x plus. Now we have the front and the back. So front here, the front face here, that is also having the length as x and the width. If this is 9 minus x, this width will also be 9 minus x. So the front will be x, the area of the rectangle will be length x multiplied by width 9 minus x. So x multiplied by 9 minus x. So back will also be the same. The length will be x and the width will be 9 minus x. So x into 9 minus x. So let's add them up. So x square plus x square plus 9 into x minus x square plus x into 9 is, that is plus 9x, minus x into x is minus x square, plus x into 9 is 9x, x into minus x is minus x square, plus again x into 9 is 9x, minus x into minus x is minus x square. So first all the x square terms, x square plus x square is 2x square, minus x square and minus x square minus 2x square, so that gets cancelled. And then we are left with minus x square, that is minus 2x square. 9x plus 9x is 18x. 18x plus 9x is 27x. 27 plus 9x is 36x. So we got the total surface area as 36x minus 2x square. So that is what we had to prove. So in this third party BI, we just had to prove that the total surface area of the cuboid is 36x minus 2x square, and we proved it as 36x minus 2x square. Now, the last one here, find the surface area of the volume when the cuboid is maximum. So let's go back to the table that's given to us. So find the surface area when the volume of the cuboid is maximum. The table given here, volume, we've completed this table. This was 28 here. When we check the volume here, the volume is maximum when x is equals to 6. When x is equals to 6, the volume is maximum. And we need to find out the surface area. We got the surface area formula, total surface area as 36x minus 2x square. Now, it's given that the volume is maximum. Volume is maximum at x is equals to 6. So to get the surface area when the volume is maximum means in the surface area equation, the formula, we just have to substitute for x 6 here. So we use this table in order to solve the last portion. So it was given volume is the maximum. What is the surface area when volume is maximum? So check the table here. Volume is 108. 108 is the maximum value. And when is volume maximum? When x is equals to 6. So substitute here 36 into, instead of x, 6 minus 2 into 6 square. 36 into 6 is 216 minus 2 into 6 square is 36. So 216 minus 36 into 2 is 72, which will give us 144. 144 will be the answer. So the maximum surface area when the volume of the cube is maximum is 144 centimeters square. 144 centimeters square. So I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, feel free to write it in the comment box.